We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Traditionally, Hakka families did not celebrate birthdays between the ages of 2 and 49 with anything more than a boiled egg and pork. The only exception to this rule was the first birthday after a man took a wife and the birthday on his 31st, when his mother-in-law presented him with fabric for clothes and other gifts. This was called reaching the 31st year, or 做三一, and sounds like the Hakka for have a birthday. In return, his family prepared wine and food for a banquet for the wife's family and friends. A person's 51st, 61st, and 71st birthdays were marked by a banquet known as 祝寿, or celebrating old age. A tree was often planted and animals, usually birds, were released into the wild. The biggest birthday celebration of all was the 81st birthday, which was when a person was said to have reached venerable old age, or 上寿. Hello everyone, this is Joseph Lin with another edition of our Hakka lesson.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Alice, I think today we should get back to the basics because Taiwan is known for its politeness, okay? 因为台湾呢是一个非常和蔼可亲的一个国家，所以其实要学一些基本的这种礼仪的东西哦。所以客家话怎么说？比如说请啊，还有谢谢你啦，不客气啦，对不起啦，没关系啊，这么多个可以吗？
没问题。
没问题。OK， 好，那我们就先从请 please 呛就是请OK that's please How about thank you 谢谢你
是摸你
等一下是摸你啊先摸你啊不是
是摸你
不是安子 say 吗
都可以啊
安子 say 跟是摸你是摸你
是摸你
都是可以说是谢谢你 That's thank you There are two ways of saying it Okay let's say then after that you have to say 不客气 You're welcome
是客气
是客气这就是 you're welcome 不客气 Alright 今天做错事了要说对不起
失礼
Sorry 失礼那没关系
没相干
Let's review all those 5 vocabularies right here Please 请呛那个谢谢你 Thank you
是摸你
or 安子 say And then 不客气 You're welcome
是客气
是客气 And 对不起 which is sorry
失
礼 And 没关系 It's okay
没相干
Alright Thank you very much 安子 say
长来了
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制，邀您一起体验另一种不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.